Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Brenda, and welcome to my piano lessons virtual classroom. Right now, we are in our Fingerpower primer level, and we are playing exercise 29, two-note phrases. Now, we are in 2/4 time, so it's 2 beats a measure, 1, 2, 1, 2, and our quarter note is going to get 1 count. Now, if you look at our phrase, we have a slur from the first to the second note, and the second note is just a staccato. So it's just C, D, C, D, D, E, D, E. Long on the first note, short on the second. And you're going to be playing with your second and third fingers on both hands. So go through, play the entire piece with your second and third fingers, and then go through again, play it with your first and second, third and fourth and fifth. And that will give you a great warm up and really exercise those tougher fingers. Our fourth finger, our ring finger, that's the weakest finger on our hand, and we really need that finger to get nice and strong so that we can play more difficult pieces. So in this next video, you will see me play this for you so you can hear exactly how it is to sound. Take it away, Brenda. Our right hand second finger is on middle C, and our left hand third finger is on low C. 1, 2, 1, 2. So, how did you do with exercise 29? Practice this every day. Go through it and do the different finger groupings and start your lesson practice with this piece. It'll get you warmed up really good before you hit your harder pieces. Now, get out there and practice and have fun playing the piano.